In this segment, we're going to show you how to add photos to your cases. And the way this is done is actually not unlike others. The first thing you must do is to focus on the case that you want to deal with. In this situation, we're dealing with the Barney Rubble case, and I've already focused on Barney Rubble's case by applying a filter. Once you've done that, then you must actively engage the case for this particular case. Once you're there, as always, it takes you to the timestamps case notes as a default. On the left hand side, you're going to select the Photos button. And once you have selected the Photos button, the program's then going to show you all the photos that are connected to this case based off the filters that you've established in here. Right now we don't have any filters, so we're going to add our first image to this case. So you're going to click a new image. Now what the program wants you to do is for you to tell the software where that particular image lives. So you can click this thing, Add Files, and it takes you to the location on your hard drive. You got to go find it, and then you can select the photo that you want to upload, and then the program will show you that you have identified that photo as to be uploaded. We can add another file, for example this file here, and then now we see we have two files that have been identified that we want to upload to the system. So we hit Start Upload, and the program starts counting it down, and once it's done, all your photos will be shown down here. That will tell you in fact that you have uploaded those photos. So you just hit the back arrow key and then hit the refresh button, and then we are going to see those two photos that have been connected to this case. Now if we take a very good close look at these images right here, we notice that we have put in an automatic title called New Image. So you might want to modify these titles to be more descriptive. So we hit the Edit button, and it's showing that full photo there, and we can say target photo, whatever you want to call it, and then down here put some notes. Then simply hit the save. So now the program is allowing you to record this information, and you'll see that the information has changed based off of what we just put in there. So we can generate reports based off the filters in this particular screen. So all you got to do to generate a report is hit that report button, and then the program is going to generate an initial draft for you to look at and say if that's what you actually want to do. And if you're happy with that, then you can download the report like all other cases or all other processes to either email or to download the photo to that particular report to your computer. So it's attached to the report that we just created, and all you got to do is either download the report from here. You can click on that and see what it does, and there pops up your report. Or you can email this report to anybody you want to. And once you've done that emailing of this report, it's going to also annotate it inside the timestamp screen as the fact that you did this. Kind of memorializes that fact. So very quickly, this is how you add photos to the system. Now, one other sidetrack here is I want to show you that this concept of how to add photos applies also to adding photos about individuals. So if we go to the people connected to the case, and we're going to pop up a Rolodex on Barney Rubble, and so let's say that now we have a photo we want to connect to Barney Rubble. Then we click on the Photos button. Remember, once again, we're in the Personnel Rolodex here, and for Barney, now we're going to ask it to add a new image. So we're going to add that image from here, and so we'll select whoever that guy is, that picture is, and then we are going to start the upload. So you see it's very similar to what we just had done before for the cases. So now hit the refresh, and then that particular image will show up here as a part of it. So adding photos to the system either for a case or for an individual and or a company is very similar. So once again, this is how you generate photos and put them inside Caseworks.